Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about ICE Network or ICE Network. If you're interested in finding out what this is about, then make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for any other video that I post. I post a lot of videos on cryptocurrencies, not particularly on ICE, but a lot of stuff on how to make some extra crypto using faucets and how to start trading or mining cryptocurrencies the proper way. I guess you could say that I'm a little bit intrigued by the whole ICE network scam that's going on, and so I decided to do some investigative digging on my own. And I continue digging, and I continue being surprised by other things that come up in relation to the ICE network. So there's a lot of stuff happening on the ICE network that people are following. First, there was an introduction of KYC. Then there was the facial recognition. Then there was the removal of the facial recognition. Now we don't know what's happening. The token was supposed to be listed on Ethereum. There was mention of Uniswap. Now that's also not on the table anymore. The token's second phase was to be launched by the next year of October, the next year 2024. We don't know what's happening. The token was supposed to, the ICE token was supposed to be launched on the TON network, which also we're not sure what's happening with, because TON has launched its own network right now. Now it's TON wasn't going to be launched, I think, but now it's launched, and it's a full-blown blockchain that's taking shape out in Dubai, and of course it's supported by its app Telegram, for which it was initially built. And so it's a bit unclear on what's happening with ICE and why it's around, and there's more things coming out to the forefront that make it look even dodgier than it already is, you know, with its the people, the founders, as they call themselves, I guess, Zeus or Apollo, whatever the heck his name is, being as pushy as they are. So I went online and I typed in ICE Network, and of course the first listing you get is ICE Network. But if you just scroll down, you get another ICE Network right here, which I made a video about that in the past. Not this particular one. There was another, some kind of industrial production company that was called ICE Network. But this perked my interest right here. If you go to this website here, to this listing right here, ICE Network, this is what you get. Effective March 4th, 2023, funding for the ICE and Snow project has been discontinued. What? We appreciate your support during its existence. Before the shutdown, a snapshot of the network's state will be archived and stored. This snapshot will enable future teams to continue from where the current teams left off. Participants in the Kusama Parachain auction will have their Kusama returned to their original KSM wallets when the Parachain lease expires on August 26th later this year. For further information or inquiries, please contact us. So apparently an ICE network or blockchain by the name of ICE Network, which had ICE and Snow as its tokens, was being listed or was being auctioned on Kusama as a parachain, possibility of a parachain for Polkadot, I guess. And the funding for this has been discontinued on March 4th, 2023. And I guess the tokens were supposed to be returned to people on August 26th. ICE Network, with Zeus at the forefront, has launched in October, which is a month after. But so if you go to contact us, click on that, and it takes you to the Icon website. This is a wallet, I guess, Icon X call, a website that is managed by the Icon network. And so that's odd. Basically, the decentralized ICE network has stolen its name from another project that went under just recently, and they simply started creating their own stuff under the same name. And I guess the reason for that is because, you know, since the internet is already populated, Google's search is already populated by the ICE network phrase as a name, it would be easier for people to find ICE network simply by default, despite the fact that this is a completely different project, or it was a different project. Not to mention that welcome to ICE network, this is an indigenous clean energy project that's also called ICE network. So I mean, aside from that, if we continue digging into Snow, what is Snow? Snow is a long-term incentivized network for cutting-edge development backed by the ICZ token. ICZ token is the icon token, which has real-world value. Snow will serve as a canary network for ICE. Now, this is not the ICE that Zeus is promoting. This is a project that existed before Zeus piggybacked on it. Okay. Supply and other token economics behaviors on Snow will be the same as ICE, but the token distribution will be different in order to support the goals and attributes of the network. So Zeus is basically lying. He's talking about millions of dollars being invested into the ICE network, and I guess he's hoping that people will fall for the idea that, you know, they were looking at this ICE network, the one that was being built through the Icon Foundation, and that was supposed to be a part of the parachain on Kusama and Polkadot. And I guess he's trying to piggyback on the Icon Foundation's efforts to make himself something more. And that's just fraudulent. I found a video on YouTube called Snow Network Crowd Loan on Kusama #2, and this is like a 4-minute video, 4-minute long video, and it was released a year ago, and this is about the proper ICE network, the actual ICE network, not about the fake one that is promoted by Zeus right now.
Short refresher video about Snow Network and the crowd loan that the team is opening on Kusama tomorrow. I have already introduced Snow Network in a greater detail in one of my previous videos, so feel free to watch it by clicking on the link. ICE Network is a smart contract platform supporting both EVM and EWAS chain harmony and Algorand. ICE Network will be interoperable with Icon's blockchain transmission protocol.
So if you notice, ICE is optimized for Icon BTP, whatever that network is, but it was supposed to be launched by Icon and working with Icon. So ICE, Zeus's ICE is just piggybacking, is basically bootlegging, stealing the idea, the brand name of this blockchain that was actually existing and went under, and now he's hoping to gain access to the, I guess, publicity and reach that the original ICE network had on the Google algorithm and the search engines throughout the internet. He's hoping to reach that audience that, you know, that had access to these things. There's another ICE, and I'm not sure if this is the same one or what's going on. It says ICE cryptocurrency data, price discovery for the crypto market. So this seems like some, I don't know what that is. Crypto assets, 1inch. I have no idea what this is, but it's also called ICE. They do have a Twitter website or a Twitter account that takes you here. ICE Markets. It's almost like a trading platform called ICE. Not exactly sure. ICE, welcome Black Knight, the ultimate connection. Make the see. I don't know what that is, but it's also called ICE. Going further, Polkaverse. This is a website that was dealing with projects on Polkadot, I guess, and there's update on Snow crowd loan in Kusama. And if you notice, there is a snowman. So Zeus's ICE project has just basically stolen everything from the project that was running on Kusama, that was supposed to be run on Kusama. They've used all the names for Snow and Snowman in the picture here. Snow is a long-term incentivized network for cutting-edge development backed by the ICZ token. ICZ again stands for Icon, which has real-world value. Snow will serve as a canary network for ICE. Supply and other token economic behaviors on Snow will be the same as ICE. Today, July 20th, Snow made one important update about their crowd loan. Some you may not notice, some contributions for Snow crowd loan have been closed. So again, this is a completely different project that was supposed to run on Kusama through Polkadot, and it closed. And it was supposed to be, I guess, a project by Icon. Again, all of that was stolen by Zeus, and now he's trying to sell it as his own idea. KuCoin had a listing. This is in 2022. KuCoin, Icon, and Snow. Again, this is all meant to be on the Icon blockchain. And of course, now there are some fake articles circling around. This is October 7th, 2023. Justin ICE Network listed on the centralized exchange Uniswap. Hoka News. I have no idea what this is, but this is Hoki News. Uniswap does not have a listing for ICE. If you go to Uniswap, it's very easy to do. Launch the app. There's the Uniswap app. And if you go to select tokens, type in ICE, you don't get a listing at all. There is nothing here. Nothing. See? So it's fake news. This is completely fake news. Whoever posted this, attached a link to their app, to their ICE network app. That's all they're doing. They were just pumping their own account, hoping to get people sucked into this. Man, this is fraud. And it looks like it's Vindicated Chitty, the fraudulent prankster, fraudster. So Vindicated Chitty is now basically writing, fake news, spreading fake news. So just to get people to register with his account on ICE, on this fake ICE network. Wow, what a scandal. Scandalous scandal. I think I gotta change my thumbnail for this. But so yeah, basically everything about the ICE network has been stolen from the previous failed ICE network. So the ICE network IO that was here was supposed to be a parachain on Kusama. That was the idea. And so now Zeus's ICE has basically stolen all the ideas. They've taken all the ideas and they're trying to make it seem like ICE network is God's gift to the population. It is not. It's just some scam coin. Who knows what they're going to be trying to do. So I strongly suggest that whoever, if you're using the app, be very careful. Do not give away any of your information. Certainly do not send any money. Do not start trading this token or this whatever IOUs when it becomes available. If it does become available, if they tell you that you need to send some money here or spend some money here, do not fall for it. This is all a scam, as far as I know right now. And the idea that just the lies that Zeus pushes, that they spend millions of dollars. They didn't spend a penny on this. I don't know who Mr. Menban is. Maybe he's the developer. I have no idea. Maybe they've got somebody working. I mean, somebody must have made the app, which I don't presume it was very difficult to do anyway. But if you know how to make stuff. But yeah, be very cautious. And somebody left a message on my channel. I can't find it now, but somebody left a question on my channel asking me how much ICE costs in US dollars. ICE network has no value. There is no transferable value because it's not an actual token or a coin on any actual blockchain. It's just IOUs you collect on an app, just numbers clicking away. So do not think that you're going to be earning any money, because you're not. These are just like play tokens. So that's it. Just shocking. I hope this was educational. Be cautious of this thing called the ICE network, because it's just a bootleg copy of another project that went under on Kusama. That was an actual project. They propagated the algorithm and the SEO of Google, and so when you go search ICE, you will receive the ICE network. Now this sucker, because I guess, you know, they've stolen a lot of their stuff, the SEO, and so they're piggybacking on top of the previous ICE network that was supposed to be built on Kusama, or sorry, on Icon, and it's supposed to be a parachain on Kusama and Polkadot, but it's not the same project, not even close. So be cautious. In any case, make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.